Hello buddy, Princess the Bear here, and we're back with another home remake video.
This time we're going to Hollywood Studios.
Why would anybody ever want to go there?
For the best crabless crab cakes outside of New Orleans.
Debatable. Either way, I miss Sci-Fi Drive-In. You miss Sci-Fi Drive-In.
I really do.
Seems like it's the perfect sort of idea for these sort of times.
Yeah.
Just in all, we need more drive-in theaters.
We do.
So, in honor of Sci-Fi Drive-In and the princess's favorite dish from there, we're going to make
Crabless crab cakes.
Crabless crab cakes.
Crabless crab cakes. I'm so excited.
I think she's going to take off over here. So, we're going to go over here and make use of this bounty behind us, and we're going to see you soon.
Be sure to check that secret mission in Uncharted Space.
You heard the girl.
First, and then we smoosh.
Back. We're done. It has been a short road, but we're here and we finished our crabless, plant-based, vegan, I don't know if buzzwords, cakes.
Sci-Fi Drive-In.
Cakes. We have our crab cakes.
Yes.
They did turn out not horribly.
They're a little small compared to the ones from Sci-Fi.
Suppose if maybe we used 2 cans of hearts of palm, we probably would have gotten there. But given that we basically figured out this recipe for ourselves, since there wasn't one we could find anywhere,
this
turned out pretty good.
Well, I mean, we don't know until we try it. So,
yeah, but it looks nice. I do feel like everything we're making lately has slaw on it, but
it's true.
Disney likes slaw. It's not our fault.
They do like the slaw.
But I'm ready.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Go for this crab cake with a little bit of Rémoulade. I swear I can get it.
Okay. Let's go. Texture's there.
Wow.
Flavor's there.
Yep. Tastes just like Sci-Fi.
I would say this is a win.
I don't remember if the coleslaw tastes like this. I'm not a huge fan of the coleslaw. Coleslaw's really never been my jam though. But these crab cakes, these are hitting. I'd probably double this recipe next time so I can make these crab cakes bigger.
More substantial.
And probably more of them because this just isn't enough. This is really good.
Yeah, it was something when you're one of those things when you're making it where it's like, is this really going to turn out like we think it's going to turn out? Didn't really feel like that until it came out of the oven. It definitely one of those things like, this is not looking right. But in the end, seems to do okay. I would give this attempt on the crab cakes a solid 4 out of 5 claws.
I would say this is worth making.
Yeah. Definitely our jam. I would like to see it. Maybe we'll add something else other than slaw if we made it for ourselves.
Yeah. Like in New Orleans, it was just very simple. You got the crab cake, you got the Rémoulade, you dip the crab cake in the Rémoulade. That's all you needed.
Yeah, I don't really need the slaw. The slaw is just something for the crab cake to rest upon.
Decoration.
It's a crab cake bed.
Yeah,
But
basically.
I've been playing too much Animal Crossing, don't mind me. But I like it. It turned out well.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever made crab cakes or crabless cakes at home?
Tell us about it.
Let us know, as usual, in the comments. If there's any other recipes
Yeah.
from Disney you want to see us recreate, that's also where you'll let us know. Hit
Definitely.
the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this. And
We have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Or we'll send you to infinity and beyond. So I started liking the vegan crab cakes when we went to New Orleans and tried it. Now it's tried at Disney.
Electric impulses generated by the other car ahead cause it to swerve to the right. No chance for human error. It's all done electronically.
It's got like dill in it too.
This
is really good.
Oh
my gosh.
Sounds fantastic.
I would come here just for this.
You'll be able to sit back
It's
and
really,
read the
really
paper
good.
while the car drives us
Wow.
to
I spilled
the
them.
telephone of tomorrow. Is this
Some of the mushrooms the princess doesn't like.
as well as virtue? But there's plenty
It is easy to spill.
problems in human relations. This hookup would cost $500. So until the price comes down, the video phone remains.
That is delicious.
See you then. Good looking.
This is rare. I'm gonna give this one 5 out of 5. It's amazing. Like, you could fool me and believe that was crab, and I wouldn't think any different. I would just devour the whole plate in seconds. That is like, I want to eat it and then sleep in that bowl. After I like it clean, of course. I'm not a savage.
I think you're a savage. So excited. To infinity.
And your mom.
And your mom.